Good morning. It is Saturday. Getting ready for work and taking a quick shower. Alright, so this is a mess. My niece was helping me with this. Okay. I got my stuff from Amazon for my eyelashes because your girl has not been cleaning them like she should have. I know it's so bad, but it's the truth. I'm not gonna lie, because I've never had them before. Anyways, got the stuff to clean them and to remove them. Just didn't get the remover yet. Then I got this for videos, the fan for the eyelashes, and a mirror for the shower because I wanted to try it. That's not nice. You don't call people fat. Ow, these actually hurt since they're not new, bro. Should I turn off one of these lights? This one. Okay, so here they are clean, and they look so much better than what they were. So I'm glad that I got that Amazon cleaning kit because these look better than what they were. I'm gonna go out. Inside.